Hormones are like tiny messengers in your body. They travel through your blood, telling organs and tissues what to do. They manage your mood, energy, sleep, and hunger. When balanced, you feel strong and full of life. Sometimes hormone levels can go up or down too much, causing imbalances. This can make you feel tired, moody, or anxious. Stress and diet are common culprits. If you have health concerns, talk to your doctor. They can perform tests and find the right solution for you. If you need affordable healthcare, MyHomeDoc Telehealth website can help. They offer convenient care, especially for uninsured patients. You can connect with healthcare professionals from your home. Health is a journey, and you don't have to walk it alone. What you eat plays a big role in your hormones. Think of food as fuel for your body. Eating whole foods is very important. Choose fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are essential. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon are particularly beneficial. Limit highly processed foods, sugary drinks, and too much caffeine. Small changes in your diet can make a big difference over time. Staying hydrated is simple but very effective. Water is essential for hormone production and transport. Drinking enough water helps your liver process and remove excess hormones. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Herbal teas can also count towards your fluid intake. Proper hydration supports your overall well-being. Regular exercise supports your hormones. Physical activity helps regulate insulin and boosts your mood. Gentle exercises like walking, yoga, and swimming are very helpful. Find an activity you enjoy to make it easier to stick with it. Managing stress is extremely important for hormonal health. When stressed, your body releases cortisol, the stress hormone. Too much cortisol can affect your sleep and other hormones. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, like deep breathing and meditation. Getting enough quality sleep is non-negotiable. Your body repairs itself and balances hormones while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of good sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and make your bedroom a peaceful place for rest. Simple home remedies like chamomile tea and Epsom salt baths can promote relaxation. Always listen to what your body needs. Balancing your hormones naturally is a journey. It involves looking at your whole lifestyle. Diet, exercise, stress management, and sleep are all connected. Small, consistent efforts can lead to big improvements. Consistency is more important than perfection. Making small, sustainable changes is the best way. Be patient with yourself and your body. Celebrate your progress along the way. If your symptoms are severe or do not improve, see your doctor. Your primary care doctor can offer personalized advice. If you need a healthcare provider, MyHomeDoc Telehealth website is a resource. Your health is a priority. We hope this information has been helpful for you. Understanding how to support your hormones naturally is powerful. We encourage you to explore these paths to wellness. If you found this guide useful, please give it a like. For more educational content on health and well-being, please subscribe to our channel. We are here to support you on your health journey. Stay informed and stay healthy.